Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IIT JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years, taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. Before I start the session, guys, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes. Alright, you can below the description box there is a link there where you can use that link to attend my free special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform, which I do in detail. Okay, this is the eighth session of PYQs of differentiation. We have done with the first 7 sessions. If you have missed, please watch the recorded videos. Please watch the videos on the YouTube channel, guys. Alright, and before I start up, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription. These are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. In fact, for 2022 as well. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% discount. Enter this referral code, you get 10% discount. And 6 months, it's 10125, that is 1688 per month. And per month, 2250. You get all this, guys, premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP, that is daily practice paper, full-length mock, etc. with analysis. You get all this under single subscription. And let me tell you about this. There's the free practice test series for Karnataka Common Entrance Test. It's a free practice test series, guys. Please do take up this test series so that you come to know where you stand actually. Alright, and let me start, guys. So I should start from question number 69. I am done with all the CET questions. In fact, last class I did 20 questions. Now I should start with question number 69. So comment K questions are left out. Yes, I should start from here. Just a moment. Alright, guys, listen. Okay, we all know that mod x is equal to x. Modulus of x is equal to x when x is positive, and minus x when x is negative. Mod is a V-shaped graph. Mod is a V-shaped graph and you get a sharp edge at 0. This is y is equal to x, and then this is y is equal to minus x. Right, if I use this logic, guys, so at x is equal to 2 pi by 3, there is 120. 120 is second quadrant, right? Cos will be negative. So this modulus of cos x will become minus cos x. Okay, and then modulus of sin x will become sin x. Because 2 pi by 3 second quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, sin is positive. Now if I differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of minus cos is plus sin, and differentiation of sin is cos. Alright, now dy by dx at x is equal to dy by dx when x is equal to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So this is equal to sine of 2 pi by 3. Sine of 2 pi by 3 plus cos of 2 pi by 3. Sine 120 is root 3 by 2. Okay, and cos 120 is minus half. So this is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. That is answer is option C. Isn't it, guys? Simple question only, but use the not property and only then you can differentiate. Let's go to the next question. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, and f dash of x is equal to 2. F dash of 5 is equal to 2, f dash of 0 is 3. Okay, I'm supposed to find f dash of 5. Okay, now this is a standard result, guys. Just remember this. You can prove it. Okay, we can prove this result. Alright, just remember this result. Whenever f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus y is equal to k into f of x into f of y. K is any scalar, k, lambda, alpha, beta, anything you can take. F of x plus y is equal to k into f of x into f of y. F of x into f of y. Okay, then f dash of x is always equal to k into f of x into f dash of 0. K into f dash of x into f of 0. Right, so if I use this result, guys, right, if I use this result, I'm supposed, so it is given in the question that f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Right, if I compare, obviously k should be equal to 1 only. K will be equal to 1. Okay, now if I substitute here, what am I supposed to find? I'm supposed to find what is f dash of 5. F dash of 5 is equal to f of 5 into f dash of 0. Hi Kavita. F dash of 5 is equal to, okay, k is anyways 1. Okay, f of 5 into f dash of 0. So f dash of 5 is equal to, right, f of 5 is already given, that is 2. F dash of 0 is 3. So answer will be equal to 6. Answer is option B. Just remember this result, guys. F of x plus y is equal to k into f of x into f of y. Then f dash of x is equal to k into f of x into f dash of 0. Just remember that result. Let's move to the next question. Question number 71. F of x is equal to log of base log x square, base x square. What is f dash of x at x is equal to e? Right, so don't use, you can't differentiate directly because base is not other, base should be e only. So if I use a change of base formula, log n to the base a, log n to the base a can be written as log n divided by log a. Isn't it, guys? So if I use the change of base formula, this can be written as f of x is equal to log of log x to the base x square, can be written as log of log x divided by log x square. Right, now it is understood this is to the base c only. Right, that is to any base here. So I can write f of x is equal to log of log x, log of log x divided by log m power n. Log m power n is equal to n log m. Log x square can be written as 2 log x. Right, now if I differentiate, this is f of x. Okay, now f dash of x is equal to, let us use quotient rule. Right, denominator, differentiation of numerator, differentiation of log of log x is 1 by log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Denominator, differentiation of numerator minus numerator will be equal to log of log x. Right, differentiation of denominator 2 into 1 by x divided by denominator the whole square 2 into log x the whole square. 2 into log x the whole square. This is f dash of x. Okay, now f dash of e, log will cancel with log. I'm going to cancel this. Okay, now if I substitute f dash of e, in place of x you put e. That's what I'm supposed to find. F dash of x at x equal to e. F dash of e is equal to, right, so 2 by e minus this is equal to log to the base e of, this is log e, okay, into 2 by e upon this is 2 into log e the whole square. 2 into log e the whole square. This will be equal to 2 by e minus log to the base e of, log e will be equal to 1 and then into this is 2 by e. Again log e is 1, you get this is 2 square. Right, log 1 to any base is 0, so this will be 0. Isn't it, guys? So what is left out now? This will be equal to 2 by e Okay, into 1 by 2 square, that is equal to 4. So answer is 1 upon 2e. That's the last option. Okay, just use the change of base formula and do it. Just differentiate and substitute the value of x as e. Let's move to the next question. Question number 72. Limit x is tending to infinity, root a square x square plus bx plus 1 minus ax. So you actually get infinity minus infinity. X is directly tending to infinity. You get infinity minus infinity. Right, obviously, which is not defined. Now what I'll do is, I'm going to write this as limit x is tending to infinity. Right, let us rationalize this. This will be equal to root of a square x square, root of a square x square plus bx plus 1. Okay, plus ax minus, this is actual question, minus ax. Right, now if I rationalize this, into this would be equal to root of a square x square plus bx plus 1 plus ax, okay, divided by root of a square x square, root of a square x square plus bx plus 1, okay, plus ax, close the bracket. Now this can this can be written as limit x is tending to infinity of, limit x tends to infinity of, numerator if I multiply a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, you get a square x square plus bx plus 1 minus a square x square divided by, this will be equal to root of a square x square, okay, plus bx plus 1 and then plus ax. Okay, let's cancel this fellow. Right, now if you want you can use L'Hopital's rule there. So numerator denominator separately, right? Just use L'Hopital's rule. Or if I further do this, okay, so this can be written as limit x is tending to infinity of, limit x is tending to infinity. Right, just note this step, guys. I'm going to take x common here, bx plus 1, I take x common, you will get this as b plus 1 upon x. Okay, multiply again, you get bx plus 1. Under the root, I take x square common. Under the root, if I take x square common, it will be equal to a square, okay, plus bx upon x square, because I take x square common, plus 1 upon x square. Okay, and then plus ax. Right, now I further write this as limit x is tending to infinity. Limit x is tending to infinity, x into a bracket, it is b plus 1 upon x. Okay, so x square is under the root, take out, it becomes x. Now this becomes root of a square plus b by x plus 1 by x square. Okay, plus ax. You take x common and cancel. Alright, so this becomes limit x is tending to infinity. B plus 1 upon x, okay, divided by root of a square plus b upon x plus 1 by x square. Plus 1 by x square plus a. Right, now whenever x is tending to infinity, 1 by x will tend to 0. So this becomes b plus 0 divided by root of a square plus 0, okay, plus a. So this becomes b upon 2a. Okay, that's the answer, guys. B upon 2a, answer will be equal to option D. Hope this is clear, guys. Let's go to the next. Let's move to the next question. Right. Question number 73. Limit x tends to 0. If x tends to 0, you get 0 by 0 form here. Okay, so I'm going to use L'Hopital's rule. Okay, using L'Hopital's rule, differentiate the numerator Using L'Hopital's rule, differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. So this becomes limit x is tending to 0. First function is x. Differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a to the base c. The second function is a power x. Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of x will be 1 here. Only x na, so it will be 1. Divided by differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of minus cos is plus sign. Again x is tending to 0. This fellow will be 0 by 0 form only. Again you get 0 by 0 form. So use L'Hopital's rule once again. So this becomes limit x is tending to 0. Okay, log a is a constant. I'll take outside. Right? Then we will use the product rule here. This log a to the base e is a constant. Let me keep as it is. Now let us use product rule for this. First function is x. Differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a to the base e. Okay, plus second function is a power x and differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of a power x will be equal to a power x into log a to the base c. Differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a to the base c. Differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of sine is cos. Isn't it? Now x is tending to 0. X tends to 0. This becomes log a to the base c. Log a to the base e. Alright, now x is 0. 0 into a power 0 into 0 into a power 0 into log a to the base c. This is into log a to the base c. Okay, plus a to the power of 0. Close the bracket. Right, plus a power 0. A power 0 log a to the base c. Upon denominator cos 0. Anyways, cos 0 is 1. Numerator 0 multiplied by a finite quantity is 0. So this will be 0. A power 0 is 1. So you will get this is log a to the base c plus log a to the base c. A power 0 is 1 upon 1. So this is 2 log a to the base c. 2 log a to the base c. Answer will be equal to option C only. It's understood whenever you write log, this is it's understood it is the base c only. Okay, question is correct, don't worry. This is 1 by 2. 1 upon 2, this is base c, even this is base c, this is base c. It's understood whenever you write log in calculus, it is understood it is base c. Okay, question number 74. Again, all these are Comet K questions. I am done up to 2020 paper. 2004 to 2020 CET questions. I have 2020 up to there. CET questions have been done. Alright, question number 74. Y equal to tan x. What's a double derivative? Alright, now listen. You take y equal to tan x. Okay, let's call equation 1. And if I differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of tan x will be equal to sec square x. Now this dy by dx is equal to sec square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 plus tan x is equal to y, so this becomes y square. This is dy by dx. Okay, now if I differentiate once again, double derivative d square y upon dx square is equal to differentiation of 1 is 0. Okay, and then let's call this equation 2, guys. If differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Okay, so double derivative d square y upon dx square is equal to 2 into y. dy by dx value from equation 2 will be equal to 1 plus y square. This is from equation 2. From equation 2, this is 2y into 1 plus y square. Answer will be option B. Let's go to next question. Question number 75. y equal to tan inverse of a minus x by 1 plus ax. What is the value of dy by dx? Alright, again comment K question. This is of the form tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Formula will be equal to tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. So this can be written as tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of x. Okay, now if I differentiate, dy by dx is equal to tan inverse of a is a constant, it is 0. Differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Answer will be option C. Right, let's go to the next question, guys. Question number 76. Okay. Right, f of x is equal to box x plus box minus x not equal to 2. Okay, when x is equal to 2. F is continuous at x is equal to 2. What should be the value of k? Yeah. So it's already continuous, right? So I can write limit x is tending to 2. Limit x is tending to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. Right, now let me tell you guys, box x plus box minus x. Box x plus box minus x is always equal to 0 if x is an integer. Right, no matter what the integer is, box 3 plus box of minus 3 is always equal to 0. Alright, and then this is equal to minus 1 if x is not an integer. I or z, if x is not an integer, then it is equal to minus 1. Suppose if you have box of 2.1, okay, then box of minus 2.1. Right, let me prove it. Box of 2.1 is 2, box of 2 minus 2.1 is minus 3, so it should be equal to minus 1 only. Just remember this result. Box x plus box minus x is 0 when x is an integer, and minus 1 if x is not an integer. So if I redefine this function actually, right, if I redefine this can also be written as f of x is equal to box x plus box minus x will be equal to minus 1 if x is not an integer, x is not equal to 2, and k when x is equal to 2. Okay, now it's already continuous, right? So I can write limit x is tending to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. So this is limit x is tending to 2 of f of x is equal to minus 1, f of 2 is equal to k. Limit of a constant is constant, the value of k will be equal to minus 1. Answer will be option C. Oh, this is hiding, right? Camera is blocking this, guys. Okay, I'll just give you an example here. Okay, let me explain here. Suppose if you have box 2 plus box of minus 2, it's always equal to 0. Okay, box of 2.1 plus box of minus 2.1, if it is not an integer, box of 2.2 is 2, minus 2.2 is minus 3, so you will get this as minus 1. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 77. Okay, whenever you have, suppose like this, limit x is tending to infinity, limit x is tending to a, f of x to the power of g of x, f of x power g of x, then the formula will be equal to e to the power of limit x tends to a, fx minus 1 into gx. No need to take log on both the sets and do it. Just remember this function power function. Alright, 90% of questions in this form will reduce to 1 per infinity only. Even this x is tending to infinity of this form will reduce to 1 per infinity only. Yes, even this is 1 per infinity only. Alright, now this is fx and this will be gx. If I use the formula It's actually e to the power of limit extends to infinity. Limit extends to infinity f of x minus 1, okay, into g of x. G of x is 3x minus 1. This will cancel. You get this as e to the power of limit extends to infinity. E power limit x is tending to infinity minus 4 into 3x minus 1, okay, divided by x minus 1. So this becomes e to the power of limit extends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity, okay, and then if I take suppose x common here, you will get this as 3 minus 1 by x, divided by take x common, you get 1 minus 1 by x, cancel this x and x. Okay, now x is tending to infinity, you will get this as minus 4 into 3 minus 0, divided by 1 minus 0, you get e to the power of minus 12. E to the power of minus 12 is answer is option B. Isn't it, guys? Okay, let me do one more before I wind up. Y is equal to tan inverse of, so C can be written as 1 by cos, okay, and tan can be written as sin by cos. Okay, now y equal to tan inverse of LCM will be equal to cos, and numerator will be equal to 1 minus sin. Okay, now y equal to tan inverse of, note this step, guys, cos x can be written as sin of pi by 2 minus x, okay, and then 1 minus sin x can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus x. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. So this is tan inverse of, if I use the half angle formula, 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 2 sin square of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Right, and sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Cos of pi by 4 minus x by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, sin will cancel with the square. So this becomes y equal to tan inverse of, this becomes y is equal to tan inverse of, numerator sin, denominator cos, you get tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan inverse of tan x is x, you will get pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now if I differentiate, pi by 4 is a constant, it is 0, differentiation of x is 1, you get minus 1 by 2. Answer is option T. So thanks for watching, guys, thanks for joining me. So I'll stop here. My next YouTube session will be on 20th of this month, same 11:30 in the morning. I'll do session 9 of differentiation, PYQs of differentiation, guys. Alright, so please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes, guys. And below the description box there's a link there, you can use that link to take the subscription as well. There's a referral code there, Kaleem Life. You can use that referral code to take the to avail the discounts, guys. Alright, and then you can, there's a one more link there, you can use this below the description box, there's a link there, you can use that link to attend my special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. So I'll meet you on 20th of this month, 11:30 in the morning. Until then, bye, guys. Please watch, like and share my video. Thank you, guys. Bye.